Yeah, this is one of the hymns I grew up singing as a child at home. We used to sing it for morning devotions back in those days. Ninu Gbogbo Ewu Oru, Oluwa lo ń ṣọ́ wa. There are two tunes. I can't remember the second tune, but I'm going to sing this one, and later when I have made inquiries about the second tune, I'm going to record that one and post as well. It's a song of gratitude to the Lord, and at the same time a song of prayer. I pray that as you listen, you thank the Lord along with me, and that you also pray the prayers in the song. Ninu Gbogbo Ewu Oru, Oluwa lo ń ṣọ́ wa. Àwa sì tún rí mọ́lẹ̀ yìí, àtúntẹ̀ èkún bá. Olúwa pa wá mọ́ lónìí, fi apá rẹ̀ ṣọ́ wa. Kìkì àwọn tí wọ́n pamọ́ ló ń yọ nínú ewu. Kọ̀rọ̀ wa àti ìwà wa wípé tìrẹ la jẹ́, tó bẹ́ẹ̀ kí ìmọ́lẹ̀ òtítọ́ lè tàn lójú ayé. Má jẹ́ ká padà lọ́dọ̀ rẹ, Olùgbàlà ọ̀wọ́n, títí a ó fojú wa rí ojú rẹ níkẹyìn. Má jẹ́ kí n padà lọ́dọ̀ rẹ, Olùgbàlà ọ̀wọ́n, títí èmi ò fojú mi rí ojú rẹ níkẹyìn.